Discover the advantages applying for refugee status inside Canada. Introduction. Welcome to our video discussing the advantages of submitting a refugee application inside Canada and the financial support available during the process. Let's explore why it's best to apply for refugee status within the country and the assistance one can receive. Advantage 1. Immediate presence. The first advantage of submitting a refugee application inside Canada is that the applicant can remain in the country while their case is being processed. This means they won't face the risk of being removed to their home country during the application period, providing a sense of security and stability. Advantage 2. Access to resources. Another benefit of applying from within Canada is better access to legal assistance and support services. This can significantly help applicants in building a stronger case and navigating the complex refugee process more effectively. Advantage 3. Family unity. Family unity is vital, and applying for refugee status within Canada can help maintain this unity. If the applicant has family members or a support network in the country, their application within Canada ensures they can stay together during this challenging time. Financial support programs. Now, let's discuss the financial support available for asylum seekers during the application process. 1. IFHP, Interim Federal Health Program. The Interim Federal Health Program, IFHP, provides temporary health care coverage to asylum seekers and their dependents while their refugee claim is being processed. This initiative ensures access to essential health services, medications, and treatments, bridging the gap in healthcare for vulnerable individuals during their immigration or refugee status determination. 2. Basic Needs Allowance. Asylum seekers may also be eligible for the Basic Needs Allowance, which covers essential living expenses like accommodation, food, and clothing. The amount can vary based on the province or territory. For instance, as of September 2021, a single adult in Ontario could receive approximately $649 Canadian per month. 3. Shelter Allowance. In addition to the Basic Needs Allowance, some provinces offer a shelter allowance to assist with housing expenses. The amount varies based on factors such as family size and location. For instance, in Ontario, a refugee family of 4 might receive a monthly shelter allowance ranging from $500 to $800, depending on their specific circumstances. 4. Education and work permits. Asylum seeker children in Canada can access educational services and schooling while their claim is being processed. Additionally, some asylum seekers may be eligible to apply for a work permit, allowing them to work and earn income in Canada during the assessment of their refugee claim. 5. Provincial and municipal support. Apart from federal programs, some provinces and municipalities in Canada also offer additional support programs to assist refugees and asylum seekers further. Conclusion. Applying for refugee status within Canada offers several advantages, such as immediate presence, access to resources, and family unity. Additionally, financial support programs like the Interim Federal Health Program, Basic Needs Allowance, Shelter Allowance, and potential work permits contribute to the well-being of asylum seekers during their application process. However, it's essential to remember that these programs and policies might change over time. Always refer to the official Canadian government website or consult with an authorized legal representative for the most up-to-date information. Join the ranks of those who have discovered the remarkable advantages of building a new life in Canada. Unlock the golden door to a future filled with promise and potential. Your journey starts now.